Work at the historic Ruring'u Stadium in Nyeri has begun once again after stalling since its launch by President Uhuru Kenyatta in June 2017. The construction works for the initial phase are expected to be completed by September this year, with a stadium expected to benefit Nyeri County and the greater Mount Kenya region. Martin Munene has more details.
It is a 450 million shilling project funded by the government of Kenya, but has taken way longer than expected. 3 years after its launch by the president, only 40% of the work has been done, lack of funding being the main handicap. But now the government says it is doing its part and they want the stadium delivered by September this year. I think the contractor says it's possible if funding continues.
By 30th, we find this place well done.
By September, we should be able to deliver the track and the football pitch. And the other bit will be progressive.
Sports Kenya Director Mwangi Mudhe saying that the multi-purpose stadium will have an initial seating capacity of 15,000 spectators, but that could go up to 30,000 once all the pavilions are done in subsequent phases.
Infrastructure that can be used to serve every sport, not just soccer, athletics. We want sports infrastructure that can serve cricket, rugby, hockey. So that's what we are looking for.
For local leaders and athletes, it's a dream come true as training has been a challenge. The stadium also having historic significance as it is where the Mau Mau laid down their weapons after the liberation struggle.
In the 60s, in the 70s, in the 80s, we've had people running here. This has been the primary field of interaction in sports for many years.
Ikinyesha hatupati kwa uwanja mzuri, lakini hii ikiisha tunaona mafanikio itakuja.
The facility is also expected to serve as a high-altitude training facility, host Kenya Premier League matches, and even international sporting activities.
Here is high altitude. I would like to see athletes coming from Europe to come and camp in Nyeri, to come and train in Nyeri, because Nyeri, there are good hotels, there's good food, people are friendly. So the infrastructure is what is lacking.
The clock is ticking, and the hope is that 3 months from now, the works going on behind me will have been complete and the stadium will be ready for use. Martin Munene, Citizen TV, Ruring'u, Nyeri County.